He's really putting on a show for us.
Yeah, he seems a little.
That's fantastic.
Unnerved.
I wish we could see the other end.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, could you
I
a
can't get
little
over
to
this.
the
This
left?
is amazing.
Turn
Dumbo?
around, please.
Do you think it's doing this for like kind of
A little wider video?
making us think is so big and
He's
threatening?
coming towards
Just
us.
gently back off a bit.
Yeah.
He wants us to know that he's too big to slurp.
It's like a parachute.
Oh,
Look at
cool.
Oh my gosh.
It's huge.
It really is.
It looks like this one that was off Davidson. So I guess
that. Looks a little bit different though.